the AOHI Adonis cable. So this is the actual new one. This is the new one that AOHI sent to me to take a look at. I do own all of the older ones, or a whole bunch of the older ones. So we're gonna unbox it, go in through what's new with this cable, and let's talk about it. Let's flip to the top-down camera. All right, we're at Torrent Eye in the Sky. Fantastic. So listen, I took out all the cables out of the drawer because I actually was kind of curious to see how many I did have. I have 9 cables here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cables. 10 cables. So again, I mean, obviously I'm being dramatic to drive home a point, but um, I'm sure that all of you have cables that look exactly like this. It's either black or a shade of black or gray or whatever the case is. Now, my point with this is that unless it says kind of on it, the cable, which typically it doesn't, it is crazy hard to tell which cable does what. And unless you have one of these, which is like a cable tester, you kind of, there's no other way to figure out. Like these two cables, I have no idea if they're data. I have no idea. I have no idea if they're only data, only power. Same thing with everything. Now, to give you an idea, all right, to give you an idea, there is 21 different. I had to look this up. There is 21 different ways or configurations that these USB-C cables can be configured. Meaning, some of them might be USB-C 2.0, some of them might be 4, some of them might be Thunderbolt 3, some of them might just be a power delivery USB-C cable. So there's 21 different configurations as of where I looked at it, that a USB-C cable can be, right? And without one of those two testers, without these two testers, there's absolutely no way, and unless there's markings on them, there's absolutely no way to figure out which cable does what. And come in the Adonis cable. That's where this cable comes in. And I'll show you its predecessor. This one was the older version. So yeah, this one is the older version. I'm going to show you what the difference is between these two cables. So AOI upgraded it and made it a newer version. So we're going to unpack it and see what the difference is. You know, this is why I like this brand. I mean, there's a couple reasons why I like this brand, but you can find the cable. You understand what the cable does. By the way, just so you were clear before we get into this, this cable does everything listed. It does every. I said there was 21 different versions or 21 different configurations a USB-C cable does. This one does all 21 of them, by the way. So let's open this up and take a look what we got in the box. Why is it different? Scratch the box. All right, we got a handle here. We break the handle. And there we have it. The future. The future. Nice. I always love this. Oh, it has a smell. It has a smell. It has a new electronic, premium electronic smell. Oh man. Oh, I typically don't get that smell with cables. Oh, that's fantastic. I love that goddamn smell. Oh man, that smell is amazing. I also love this carrying case. I mean, I typically don't use it, but I do like the idea of it. And there it is. Miguel, it looks exactly like the old one. It does, doesn't it? It really does look exactly like the old one. Let me show you something here. Let me show you something here. This display, there's a display there. Yep. You could tell that it's a little bigger. They did such a good job. I was actually looking at this. They did such a good job that they baked in a display into here. And that's the big difference between these two cables. And I think it's fantastic that it almost looks, it just goes with the flow. All right, so let's just open it so you guys see what I'm talking about. I need an iPhone to charge. That's what I need. All right. We're going to charge. Plug that in. And this is where this cable is different. Yep. Let me zoom in for you. That's right. They baked in a charging wattage meter in there, which is fantastic because it is. Let me get one of these other cables. It looks exactly like the older cable. And it doesn't even look like it's a display. It looks like it's just baked underneath like the layer of it. So you look like there's just a layer of it. Now the display is only on one end that shows. Now, that is the real update to this cable. That it has now a display so you could check out the charging. So let's plug this in really quick. Actually, we gotta take the phone case off. Give me a second. All right. Let's plug this in here. Because we got to make sure that it's accurate, right? I'm going to zoom in. There we have it. Pretty on point. Pretty on point. I mean, and that's what the new cable does. Now, let's go over a couple of things of the specs of the cable. All right. Let's take a look here at the box. We have USB 4.2, 120 gigs unidirectional, 80 gigs bidirectional, 240 watt charging, real-time display. We got 8K at 120 hertz and 4K at 240 gigs. That's in individual monitors, I believe. Zoom in here. Okay. All right. So let's talk about the cable a little bit. Now, besides its amazingly yellow color that stands out in a sea of black and gray cables, I mean, seriously, you don't even have to guess which cable you're going for because you know exactly what this cable does. It does everything. Absolutely everything. So I'm just going to read down the list of everything that it does. So it's got 80 gigabits of bidirectional data. It's Thunderbolt 5 compatible. It's backwards compatible with Thunderbolt 4 and 3. Works with USB 4, USB 3.2, USB 2.0 devices. Supports DisplayPort 2.1 video output. Capable of 8K video output. supports multi-high resolution displays. It has a 240 watt USB power delivery, PD 3.1 charging support. I wish I could display that, but I really don't have anything that charges at 240 watts. It can power high performance laptops. It supports external GPUs and PCIe devices. It handles high speed internal NVMe SSDs. Works with Thunderbolt docks and hubs. Single cable for power, data, and video. Um, and the reason why they say it's future proof because of the bandwidth, it's for next generation devices. It does have an eMarker smart chip for power safety negotiation, which is awesome. It does have high quality shielding for stable transfer speed. This list is so long. I hate reading these lists because it just sounds like a list and it's quite boring when it comes to a list. So I'm gonna, you know what? A couple more things. Durable braided cable. Actually, this isn't even braided. See, the list is bad. Reversible USB-C connectors. Yeah, everybody knows that. So here are the things that I love about this cable. This is why I have 4. By the way, AOI did send me this free of charge. However, the other ones I bought myself, just so you know. Here's the situation. Like, it just, this is what it is. This is what it is. Listen, it doesn't keep form, and it's smooth to the touch, and it's yellow. That's that's why I like it. Those are the things I like. I'm not, all the other things on this list are great to have, but to tell you the truth, the fact that it's yellow, the fact that it's smooth to the touch, and the fact that I don't have to worry about which one, if this is a charging cable or a data cable, that makes my life as a techie a lot easier. I have it in my drawer filled with crap, and whenever I need to grab a cable to transfer data or charge my iPhone or do whatever the case it is, I know that I could just go single-handedly to these cables, and I know that it just does everything, and I don't have to worry about it. And the fact that it supports so much speed that I know it's never the cable's fault when it comes to doing like transfers from like my my hard drive to my computer, whatever the case is. I just know that this cable is working. Every other cable that I have here, every black cable, I always have to wonder if the cable's the issue, or you know, if the cable's the issue. Anyway, so that is it really for this cable. This is my unboxing review. I thank you, AOHI, for sending me this. I love new tech. I love the fact that you baked this into it. It makes me feel I don't need this anymore, and I just like to see how fast I'm charging things. I really probably will do a follow-up video once I could find something I could charge a lot faster than 100 watts, which I think is my laptop. But yeah. Anyway, guys, if you're interested, I'll have, you know, affiliate links down below. Check them out. I think this cable is actually on sale right now for $50, if I'm not mistaken, on their website. I think they're having a sale for that. You could also pick up the older one too, which, you know, if you're not into the whole, you know, needing the tech display here, I really do like that they baked it in. Like, you could hardly tell that it's you know, it's like under the gray thing. But yeah. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and take care. I hope you guys have a great day. All right, peace out. Later.